Hi guys. So welcome to day three. Actually, why am I saying welcome? This is day three of my post-market analysis, just showing you how my view of the market, what I did, and what went wrong, what went well. And today I'm talking about the wrong because I took a loss. I had a loss today. My only trade today was a loss on gold, right? So I'm going to be walking you through what happened, how I took it, my thought process. Yeah. So let's start. Of course, I start from weekly every day, just to have you know a fresh thought of what's up. And we can see that weekly is in the sell zone, and daily confirmed the sell zone by giving me a sell. So I just mark out my daily buy and sell zone just in case. But my main focus is sales. So I was focusing on sales today. I saw some people, I saw people posting focus on buys on gold, focus on buys on gold. I mean, trust me, I respect it and all of those because it's not like I have any evidence yet to but then I now have confidence in whatever I've learned in my edge in my strategy basically. So whether they say, if I don't say, I won't trade it. So I'm not as, and that's growth for me in all honesty, because I remember that there was a time that I would just be scared once I am trying to sell and someone is buying, man, he automatically messes with me. But right now, I just trust what I see. If I don't see a buy, there's no point taking a buy. If I see a sell and the whole world is saying buy, I'm sorry, I'm going to be taking the sell regardless, and I won't feel any regrets regardless of the outcome. Do you get? So moving on, that's just by side. So I woke up to think. I was actually thinking of sales, but like I always say, if I don't see setups for sale, I'm not selling. And I got the right setup for sale. Sorry that my network is lagging today. I got you. I already marked them out. Let me just put you through. So I got the you know market pulled back at 4 a.m. my time and rejected. So I know that from 8 a.m. I'm looking for sales, and we can see how well it sold, even though I got stopped out and did a good sell today. So um I mark up my H4 zone and key level. This is actually a rejection. If you check features, it was a rejection. So I like to compare those features and CFD, because usually they have a way of not giving. I just like to confirm, so I'll confirm that, because most, if you look at this is not a rejection, but on features it is a rejection. So I believe it is a valid rejection then. So I used it, and we go down to 30 minutes, right, to find my engulfing, which confirms the zone. So I know for the next 4 hours I'm meant to be selling. So 30 minutes gave me the zone, and 30 minutes also rejected eventually. RK rejected this level here. So I know that from this place, I am looking for sales. So I go down to 5 minutes to look for my C, which I found early enough. Yep, yeah. So I found this C, entered here by 10:05. Yes, 10:05, and he danced around and got stopped out eventually. Sadly, and see how well he sold eventually. Like, this thing hurts me a lot. Like, why do you need to go just a little higher than my stop loss and then go my way? Look at how well. And I don't set TP. I just mark out this TP. I can close this at this TP, but then I just, once I know that, once market has gotten to this level, I already know that I'm done. Like, do you get? I should take, so whatever outcome that comes after that, now my fault. Do you understand? So I could have actually still held on to this, and maybe after I saw this engulfing, I would have closed. Do you get? So at least it's certain. One is to 5. But sadly, whew, we move. So that was the only trade I got today. Everything was right. Everything seemed right. I was in accordance to direction. I traded in according to direction, and we can see that it sold. But was I a partaker of the goodies? No. And GUEU, nothing. Oh my god. Okay, it's back. Thought the network wasn't back here. So GUEU, nothing today. 30 minutes didn't give me anything. I was actually thinking of sales, GUEU, but then they only gave me zones, but no pullbacks. Come to think of it, I think there was a pullback, this rejection, and yeah, so no pullbacks. I mean, it gave me, this could have been a good trade. But yeah, okay, yes, I know I was trying to, I knew you didn't pull back at some point. But look at, I mean, market is not random. See, I would have honestly marked out this zone as my entry. And look at, okay, I went down. So, but then I don't think I would have waited this long. But it's just a sign that it is not random. It does what he has to do. Do you get? Can you see how we entered the zone and went down? So that is that. EU, nothing too. I waited the whole day for EU and it still didn't give me anything. I didn't get any rejection at first. I didn't get anything. So yeah, that's it. Gold, I mean BTC. BTC is just BTC has a mind of its own right now. So and I'm not even. I mean, it could have 5 p.m. I'm not sure I would want to trade 5 p.m. But let's see if I would have taken any. Was there a zone? Yeah, there was a zone. There was a rejection. So I think I would have I would have thought of selling here because honestly, sales on BTC, they look sweet. They at the moment seem sweeter than the buys. Oh, so I couldn't have gotten any entry. But I mean, you can see how well it sold after the rejection. I always just like to wait for my 4 hours rejection. So I am certain I'm more comfortable taking the sell because I know it's in at least the next 4 hours. I don't, my trade is never longer than 4 hours. Do you get? So it's between 1 hour, maybe 30 minutes and 2 hours, 30 minutes, basically. So I know that I don't hold my trades. I don't think I have the what's the name to swing yet. Maybe eventually. But right now I just so I like to trade off a 4 hour candle. So that way I'm comfortably trading according to at least the minor direction. Yeah, so that's it for today. What did I learn in the market today? I honestly it got frustrating at some point because I've taken, if you look at my journal here, this is my journal. I have taken, I'm on like one, two, three, and this is my fourth loss in a row, right? And I mean, I miss winning, right? After 4 losses, straight losses. But am I doing the right thing? Yes. Do I? Is there room for improvement? Of course. Yeah, but we just have to do what we have to do. Yeah. So thank you guys for following me, for I don't know, for being in this, for going on this journey with me, and I hope that I make you proud. So have a very good day, have a good night, have a good week, everyone. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye bye.